Hello everyone, it's Mercedes Guy here. Welcome back to another video on Project Transit. Today I'm doing another level crossing video once again. Today I am at Wotger South level crossing. I'm not the one at where the tram crossing is, but I am at where this station is, of course, because it's obviously the nearest. So yeah, another ungated crossing that I'm recording here. So let's record this wigwag here, because it's like literally next to a crossing there. I do like it when it's set up like that, but it's quite an unusual setup for me. Now I can hear a horn going off. Not sure what it is. This is also one of the stations where train tours occur as well. So just about activated at the same time as the whole crossing did. And yet again it's a V2.3.5B. So that was a double 313 to Whitby Village. Thank you for watching. This is Joe Mercedes signing out, and peace out.